Hi, it's Karena and Katrina from Tone It Up.
And we are in the Shape Kitchen making the 1-minute cookie.
So, let's get started. We start with our wet ingredients. I have egg whites, pour it in the bowl, melted coconut oil. All right, and then we will pour in our oat flour. Katrina will start stirring it up here.
I don't know if everyone knows this or not, but
I'm the cookie monster. Nom, 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 nom.
I hate it when she does that.
I want some
She's
cookies.
not gonna stop now. Okay.
I need some cookies.
All
Just a
right.
little.
No, it's
Oh.
the sugar.
Oh, I thought it was the salt.
All right, and we have baking powder.
Baking
Stirring.
powder.
All right, here, just a pinch of salt. Are you gonna say it in your Cookie Monster voice?
Salt.
All right, and our vanilla extract.
Vanilla.
There we go. I like a lot of vanilla.
Oh.
And then a pinch of cinnamon, which cinnamon, little tip here, is very good to combat bad breath.
Kisses.
There we go. Stir that up. We're going to add, you can do either dark chocolate chips or carob chips. Pour that in.
More cookie.
Okay. Now spray your bowl so your cookie doesn't stick. Pour it in. All right, cookie is in the bowl. All right, so now it's 1 minute in the microwave. And since we like to multitask, we're gonna work it out. Do your kitchen workout. Try some. Oh,
the whole island just
careful if you're at home. If your island is on wheels, I'll do some squats. We have 10 seconds left.
Ready?
10 seconds.
10.
Jump!
Oh,
Run! It's a hit workout.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
1. Oh.
Fresh baked cookie.
Hi, I'm Lauren Cohen and you're with Shape.com. Being on the cover of this magazine is so cool for me because it's a magazine I really